Hi, here we go. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are in Roblox, and we are in Greenville. We're gonna be patrolling as we're trying some state patrol. You already know how we do. Let's get this started and see how we can go. Hopefully this thing doesn't crash while yeah. Hopefully we don't crash while making this video. Anyways, guys,
That will kick you.
no. I'm gonna have to do some editing. Anyways, guys, hold on. As I get prepared, I'm gonna just pause for a moment. We'll be right back. We're back, guys. Sorry for that. Looks like we're getting a car meet. Looks like we're gonna go shut them down. We're gonna pull up like we a car over here coming to show off our car. But in all reality, we're about to go shut them down. Let me know if I made the right call by filming this. Wait, Twist is right up here. I think they changed the map. I don't remember Twist names. Whoops. Got it now. What's this G-Wagon? Hold up. They ain't got that car so dirty. Alright, that's somewhere. I found it. Yo, who just hit me? Wait, one moment, guys. They're about to... Oh, you know what's about to happen. Yep, my boy. It looks like they might be trying to run. Hold on. Yep, they're gonna run. For my safety, we're probably gonna call a backup unit because this guy feels a little shady. We're just gonna position the car, but yeah. I don't know. It feels a little shady. Wait, hold up. I think we can actually do that now. We're gonna have a chat with them and see what they doing. Hold on, guys. My keyboard glitched. Okay, this person seems like a really nice person, so I'm gonna probably just let him off with a break. Yep, we'll just let them go, because I was gonna let them off with a break. I mean, they said they're gonna be late for school. We'll just let them go about their day. Let me know if I made a right call, though. I let them go. I know what I did. It's just illegal. It says no U-turns. It's a police component. I'm going to try and follow the rules today. We're going to try. Yo, they just blew straight through that red light. Hold up. It's like, hold up. Hey, I was going to let y'all free at first. Wait a minute. Y'all blew straight through that light. Oh yeah, I am. Hold up. Let me reposition my car, guys. Because we are blocking one lane of traffic. And I don't want someone to crash. Y'all did not see me just run them off. Oh, yeah. Let's see why they did it. Oh, they're running. Hold up. They're running. They're running. They're running. Y'all did not see me fall. I'm not sure which way they went, guys. Hold up. We got a car that's off the road back here. If we can't catch up with the subject. Wait. Hold up. We might have to call off this pursuit. Let's see if we can find them. Found them. There's my suspect. Yep. You're going down this route. Uh-oh. Yeah, I might be stuck in the ditch. Hold up. I mean, I say we let him free because he did just help out this crashed person. We're gonna, yeah. Let's see if we can get Dot. There's Dot right there. Hold up.
Hey, he almost got me out. He got me out. Bro just stole my car. They talk on how she was gonna breastfeed. I told her. She just kept on. She was so determined that she didn't care what
Yeah, we're gonna let him go. we're gonna get a report for the person who crashed. Yo, if you hold up, we might. This guy that ran off the road again, guys. Hold up, sir. Hold up, guys. Y'all did not see that. Y'all did not see me just lose control of my car. I don't have no control of my unit. It's still burning up. Greenville. Driver, we're gonna ask him to get off the road. Hold up, guys. I think we might commence the pursuit. Don't do it, bro. Don't you do it. I have 0% control of this car, guys. Guys, I have zero control. Zero control. I can't do anything. My car is like... Ooh, head-on collision. Head-on. Yep, this pursuit's gonna be over. Yep, they're probably hurt pretty bad. Alright. Are they still trying to run even though they were in a head-on collision with me? Hold up, guys. That's crazy. Wait. I've never seen someone still try to run. You owe me $20? Yo, what is this G-Wag doing? Wait. They are going wild. And they just caused the accident. Yep. They're gonna be at fault for this one. Hey. Red car, you can't leave. I'm gonna need a report. And here, oh no. This is bad. This is very bad. Alright, wait. It's just went wild. I'm stuck, my car is literally stuck in Dot's plow. And yeah. Go. Yeah, they're at fault of like 3 accidents right now. And yeah, they're at fault of 3 accidents right now. Alright, guys, we're gonna be out. See y'all next time, my guys. Badge, man. Wait. Y'all can't have my badge. Hold up. You can't take my bag. Alright, guys, peace.